Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this easy but super tasty warm roasted asparagus salad. I've got a bunch of asparagus and I'm going to cut off the woody bits. I'll just break off a piece and then line up the rest of the asparagus and cut the ends. Given the asparagus a quick rinse, and I'll just lay them out onto a baking tray. I've preheated my oven to 200 Celsius. I've also washed some sweet plum tomatoes and I'll keep them whole and coat the asparagus and tomatoes in oil. And I'll sprinkle with some salt and ground black pepper. I have some smoked streaky bacon. My pieces are long, so I'm going to cut them in half and I'll roll them tightly. Once I've rolled all my bacon, I'll drizzle each piece with some honey. I'll pop this into the oven now and let it cook for 20 minutes until my bacon is crispy. In the meantime, I'll cook some new potatoes in salted water. I'll make a small amount of dressing using olive oil, red wine vinegar and Dijon mustard. Before combining together, I'll add some ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. I've washed and dried a mixed bag of salad leaves and I'll add half the salad dressing. After 20 minutes in the oven, the bacon is lovely and crispy and the tomatoes are caramelized, soft and sweet. I'll check on my potatoes. After 30 minutes they're ready, fork tender, and I'll drain them off. While my potatoes are still warm, I'll chop them in half and cover them in the remainder of the dressing. And there it is, warm roasted asparagus salad. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.